Hey folks, Anthony Speciale here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. This morning I was in the middle of training our Hawkeye Traders here. So every Wednesday we have a live training session. And what we do is we look at the market on the live edge. I give them my interpretation and of course answer any questions they may have. And they give me their stocks that they want me to look at. So I can give them my intake, my opinion, my read on the market, and they find it helpful. They find it, I find areas of the market that they may not think to look, and that just comes with time and experience that I have. And that's the benefit, of course, of being part of a company like Hawkeye. You get exposure to somebody who has, over a decade of experience trading the markets. So before we jump in, take a quick second, look over this disclaimer, and we'll look at something that we picked up on in class this past week. So this is the light sweet crude oil market. We look at all kinds of time frames. We look from monthly charts all the way down to intraday time frames, tick charts, things of that nature. But we saw a setup pre-market in the crude oil futures market setting up. So it sold off and we had a trigger to sell at 59.35. And you could see basically this trade stayed in the complete downward motion that our indicators had suggested it would, and was continuing to sell off even when I had screenshot it. So I have two different styles or ways that I could have managed this trade. The first one is called our ATRs, which you see those lines 1 through 6 there. Those are particular areas that are calculated that the price may run to and stall or reverse. So guys, with that, there's plenty of areas there to book some profit along the way if you want to take it off in pieces. The other thing you can see there moving is what we call our trends and stops. So that is designed to keep you in the trade as long as possible, keep your stop back so you don't get the volatility in the movement doesn't get you knocked out. But this was a great example of just how our indicators really come to fruition for our members here. So we saw the opportunity, the indicators lined up on a 3-minute chart. This is daily time frame, qualified on a 6 and a 12. Everything here made sense to take a short and book some profit here. So like I said, along the way, unique to your trade plan, you could have peeled out of this at any point in time. And in case you didn't know, every single penny of movement in the crude oil market is worth $10 per contract. So you really only got to go a few cents with a few contracts to make a whole lot of money. And that opportunity was clear as day here in this example. Do one thing every day that scares you. Maybe it doesn't have to scare you. Do one thing every day that even challenges you. That's how we grow as humans. That's how we grow out of our comfort level, our box. We have to push ourselves beyond our own boundaries. Otherwise, we'll never know how far we can actually go. I mean, everyone who's ever accomplished something great in their life has done something that they didn't think they were once able to do. So for you, for me, for the rest of us, it is just a step each and every day to push ourselves towards that greatness. Whether it scares us or challenges us, it is something we need to do every day to take our lives to the next level, the areas in which we want to be, where we want to excel so we can live the way we desire to live. And guys, if you want to learn more about how we trade here at Hawkeye Traders, there's a link directly below this video. It'll take you to the Project vSwarm webinar, where I'm going to show you tons of examples like I just showed you, and then you could decide for yourself if this is right for you. And if it is, it's not just a set of indicators, it's not just some training modules, it's a complete product. It's a complete company. We offer you the support, we offer you the training, we offer you the live training, the back office training. We have hundreds upon hundreds of hours of video content, whatever area that you feel like you want to learn about, we have content built for that for you. Beyond that, of course, we are giving you these volume-based indicators, and we know that volume precedes price action. If we can take an indicator that tells us what's going to happen before it happens, it really stacks the probability of success in our favor. So guys, click that link, get signed up. We'd love to welcome you to the Hawkeye family. Next Wednesday morning, I am hosting a 1-hour live session. I would love to have you there. Feel free to ask me questions. I can show you how to set up your chart. We can analyze different stocks, ETFs, commodities, indices, whichever you prefer. We'll go over it all, and it will give you such a foundational understanding of how the market works and how you can take advantage of it. So I look forward to working with you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, our email address is right here for you. And also feel free to call us anytime, 888-233-8598. I wish you a blessed day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.